Hey guys, so today I'm going to demonstrate the seller module of Ksolves Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace extension. So very first of all, you need to hit the URL. After this, we need to go to the footer and we have a link of login as a seller. So click here. After this, we have an create an account link here. So click here. Enter the first name and last name as it's a mandatory field. After this, these are not the mandatory fields, so directly you can jump to the email and you can provide the email address. Now you have to select yes, do you want to become a seller? Enter the your store name, check the availability. It shows store URL already in use, so you need to change the store URL. Now check the availability. So it says your store URL is available. Now you are ready to go. So enter your password and create an account. So once you can click on create an account. So here you can see your seller portal request has been sent successfully, and you will receive the mail also for that. So as this account is in pending state, so we need to go to the admin portal and approve the seller. So click on the pending approval. This will show the pending seller list, and you can see the seller which we have created is in pending state. So being an admin, I need to approve this. So click here. So once it approved, now we will go and do the login from the footer link which we have provided. Click on sign in. So once the seller is approved, you will be able to log in and you will get the seller portal. So we have few tabs here. So very first of all, we have home page. So here seller can add the banner and seller can customize a number of products to be displayed on the sell page. Here in recently added products, all the newly products that has been added by the seller will appear here. In this, all the best selling products, like all best selling products will appear here. Here it's a most discounted product, so the products which have more discount that will appear here. Another, we have product type section. So by default all the product types has been allowed by the admin, so all the product types will be appear here and seller can enable or disable them. The same with the product categories. All the product categories that has been allowed by the admin will appear here and seller can enable or disable those category according to their use. Another, we have product attributes. So by default, there is some attributes which will be given by the Magento, but seller can create their own custom attributes and the attribute set as well. Another, we have product. So based on the product types allowed, seller will be able to create the products. Another, we have sales part. So here all the products that belongs to seller and purchased by the customer that will appear here, and seller can easily create the invoice, shipment and the credit memos of that order. Another, we have customers. So the customer who have purchased the seller product will appear in the all customer listing, and those customer who are online that will appear in the now online section. Now those customer who mark this seller as favorite that will show in the followers listing. Another, we have a store setting option. So here payment methods. So seller need to define the payment methods here. With this, admin would be able to pay them. Another, we have minimum order amount. So in this minimum order amount section, seller need to provide the minimum order. Less than that, a order can't be placed. Another, we have location details. So here seller can provide their location detail. Based on that, customer can easily trace them and locate them. So now we will see the configuration and the settings available for the seller portal. So for that, click on the configuration and then you can see a casual multi-vendor marketplace settings. So we have provided a various tabs which is used for the customization of the sellers portal. Like this setting would be applicable to all the sellers. So basically what we have done is we have provided all the approval related settings and all the mail related settings in this configuration part, and those settings which we are doing that will be applicable to all the sellers. Now what about the single seller settings? So for that we need to go to all sellers and click on the sellers. As you can remember, we have created John Doe, so click here. And now you can customize this seller like this. What are the customization that has been done here that would be applicable to only this seller? Like an admin can customize anything from here. So you can see a various tabs here: account detail, customer support, social media, SEO, store policies, homepage. So here what happened, like admin can easily edit the home page, admin can access the home page, and admin can see the payment methods that has been provided by the seller. Admin can set the commission for this seller, and that commission will be appear here. Admin can see the product type, admin can enable and disable the product type, admin can see the product categories here, and admin can easily enable and disable those product categories. Admin can see the custom product attributes created by the seller. Admin can see the number of products that has been created by the seller. Admin can assign their own product to the sellers, and admin can see the follower section here, those who are following the seller, and admin can see the seller location as well from this. So these are the basic information about the seller. So in the next video we will talk about the more descriptive manner of the seller portal. Thank you.